from where you live.
Well, rain and some wet snow this evening. Will go to all snow late this evening and overnight. Temperatures tank. It's going to freeze up pretty quickly, and we got a high wind event that may result in a few power outages here and there. So certainly the biggest impacts from a travel perspective and a wind perspective would be tonight, but also into tomorrow, because tomorrow's going to be a very windy day, and we're still going to have, it appears, some snow around, and the blast of Arctic air will be highly impactful as well. It's a lot of rain out there right now, but it's mixing with wet snow and even changing to wet snow in pockets from Crawfordsville over here to Burlington up to Peru, right in this zone where you see the blue, whereas the greenness is completely all rain. Now, all of this will pull out of here after maybe some pockets of slushy accumulation over here this evening. We get a brief break and the wind diminishes as the center of the low moves right overhead. Then the snow out in Iowa, western Illinois, northern Illinois, some of that will wrap in from the west and southwest, and that will be accompanied by the cold and the very high wind. So once we get the center of the low through here, that will allow all this to pivot in and the high winds to pivot in as well. So tonight it's 36 at 7, but we're down to 20 by 7 in the morning, and there's that high wind event, gusts 45 to 60, even a couple isolated plus 60-mile-per-hour gusts. And after some rain and snow this evening and a small break, then we have some of the snow blowing around through the overnight with wind chills 2 below 0 to 10 above come tomorrow morning. Again, upper teens to low 20s will do it for lows. High winds early tomorrow morning, then it's gusts 30 to 45 tomorrow afternoon. I do think there will be some light snow through the morning, then a brief break with a couple breaks in the clouds, and then more light snow in the afternoon and evening with steady temps around 20 to the mid-20s, but those wind chills near 0 to 10 above. Sunday's a rough day in terms of the temperature. A couple spotty flurries, a little hazy sunshine, but still gusts 30 to 43 miles an hour with a high of only about 10 above 0. So these wind chills in the morning will be 28 below 0 to 20 below 0. By afternoon, they're up to 17 below to 8 below 0. So kind of a dangerously cold day, especially in the morning. Look at those highs, only 5 to 12. Here is Futurecast. There's 7. Still some rain around, a few bits of wet snow mixed in over our northeast. A little bit of a break in the precip and the wind for a little while this evening. And then late in the evening, here comes the wind and here comes the snow. And that snow is going to be blowing around. There's 12:30 tonight, 2 o'clock in the morning. There's 3 and 4 in the morning, and right up to 6 a.m. some of the snow around. Then a break for a while tomorrow. Then more light snow comes in late tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. After these peak gusts, these are the projected gusts for tonight, anywhere from about 45, 46 to 60, even 62 miles an hour. Watch for some power outages and additional snowfall. This is late this evening, right in through Saturday. So we get some tonight, small break tomorrow, a little more tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. 1 to 2 inches over a good chunk of the area, the 2 to 5s in our northern fringe and also up towards Rochester, Mexico here, and north of Winnemac, 2 to 5 inches. And last but certainly not least, the wind chills. Watch the time here. This is Sunday morning at 7:30. Wind chills, good 28 below to 20 below 0. 8 on Monday, 11 on Tuesday. Some light snow with a little clipper system come Thursday and Friday. And look at that. How about Thursday?